comrades, welcome to this amazing BMW 1M. Today we are at Skylimit Events, and something that I've been very much looking forward to since last year. And there was supposed to be like 2 consecutive days of Skylimit Events earlier, but in April, but then Corona happened and the world happened, and now finally today we have our event. So let's go check out the what cars we have. So a quick car spotting session. I already said hi earlier to Andy previously.
Oh, you look better with a mask.
I'll look better with a mask. I love that your sense of humor hasn't changed.
No.
That's great. Yeah, you also look great with it.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Is it fireproof?
Yeah, it's fireproof, yeah.
That's good, because you're lit, as always.
And it's also rainproof, because we have no rain anymore.
No rain, that's good.
Yeah.
Awesome. I'm very happy to be here again, finally. Instead of April, as we would try to, but now we're finally here. I would like to have a wristband, if possible.
You can sign in there, and then you get a wristband.
Yes. My name, sign my life away. Oh, I'm so happy to be here. I don't know my number, but can I be number 1?
You can be number 1. Apex has number 1.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Ooh, there we go.
Great guess.
Then you get a wristband, and then you can go for 2 weeks in quarantine.
There you go.
Thank you.
And we also need your name and address here.
Yeah, that I've been here. Yeah,
Corona.
of course. The day has been absolutely great so far. Great cars, great people. It's so good again to be here and to hang out, drive. Main Street is open, of course, as you know. That's what differentiates it from TF. Also race cars, we have like GT3 cars, R8s that we're gonna check out later in a bit. But now let's do a quick parade lap through the main car park, see what kinds of cars that we have there. So we have traditionally wise, we have an M4. Yeah, lets us pass, thank you very much. Some Porsches. A Volvo, yeah, a real race car. Cool. Nice. Ooh, old school BMW club. The MR, GT2 RS, and some others. So let's go for a lap. I've been instructing the whole day. Have I been doing a good job?
Very good.
Good, I'm happy. So I will still do some pointers. By now I don't have to say much. So it's going to be my first ever video where I'll be like doing handheld video and instructions at the same time. And after that we will get off at T13 and show you some of the race cars. And hopefully we will see also some while we're on the track. But we'll see. All right, floor it, Captain. Always important to stay right for the track. Middle of the track, left curbstone, right orange barrier. Stay right. Speed is fine. Smoothly left curb, right curb. Let go of the brakes. Let go. Right side, middle. And on the brakes, let go. Over white line, left and brakes and turning in. Right curbstone tight. There we go. Left curbstone, stay left before the blue sign brakes. Blue sign turn in, brakes and turn. Right, close to it, gas flat. Very good. Tires a bit cold, but we'll be fine. Right, and brakes hard, because we have the cones here, and turning in. Left curbstone tight to the outside, gas. There we go. Middle of the track. Right curbstone, 2 kilometer sign left. Before the sign on the brake, sign turned in, brakes and turning in. And flat. Go. Straight for the right side, close on the right side, brakes, let go, turn in, left curbstone, brakes again, let go, turn in, over the curbstone, very good, right side, closer, don't brake, left curbstone to the right side, and brake stop, let go, turn in, over it, left curbstone, end of the right wall, towards the left side, 3 kilometer sign, very good, on the brakes, let go, tight, right side, close to it, ooh, that's, okay, that floats your boat. And to the middle of the track, flat. Close to the right barrier, uphill left part of the track, staying left. Middle brakes, enough, let go, and turning in, smoothly, and flat, go. Left curbstone, middle, left curb again. Great. Well, unlike on TF, where yellow flag means slow down to 50 kilometers an hour, on track days, the double yellow is 120, and before that is just caution. So, yeah, we're approaching and passing accidents. Oh, nothing bad. It's probably just a breakdown. Okay, yeah, that's good to see. Right, we may proceed towards the Vauxhall and flat. Go. Bottom right, wide sign, 93. Towards the left side, left curb, 6 kilometer side, in the bottom. To the right curbstone. Don't brake. End of the curb. To the left curb, right curb, at the right curb on the brakes. Don't brake. All good. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Brakes. Turn, turn. Very good. Brakes. Right curbstone. Blue dot. Brakes. Turn. Left curbstone tight. Right. And flat. Go. Left curb, right curb, straight. The white sign, 103 ahead of you. Straight towards it. Brakes. Let go. Turn. Flat. Go. And brakes. Stay right. Left curbstone tight. Tighter. Right curbstone. Steer. Good. On the brakes. Turning in. Right curbstone tight. Flat. Go. Right fence. Gentle tap. Enough. Left curb. Right curb to the left fence. Very good. Brakes. Let go. Second right curbstone. And flat. Go. Brakes. Let go. Turn in. Brakes. Very good. Turn again. What's up?
Servo.
Servo? Oh no. Servo issues. Alright. Exclamation mark. Turn again. Right side. Hard braking. Left curbstone. End of the white wall. Close to it. Back left. Tarmac transition. Tap. Enough. And flat. Go. Stay left. Very good. Carrying speed uphill. Back right. Staying right. Flat out through here. Left side. Exclamation mark. Brakes. And brakes. To 125. And turning in. And flat. Go. 11 kilometers. Gently left. 1, 2, 3, straight. Keep it flat. Very good. Right curve. Right curve. Right curve. Left curve. Only at the right curve on the brakes, not before. Close to it. And go. Flat. Flat out. To the right side. Left side. Before the top on the brakes. Brakes. Enough. Right curve. Left fence. Flat. Go. Brakes. Stay left to the end of the curb. Watching out for the traffic. And pass. Go. 143. Brakes. Into it. Very good. Out. Right curb. 145 left. Right curb. Left curb. Gas. Right curbstone brakes. End of the curb. Turn in. Closer. And go. Left curb. Right curb. Stay on the gas. Go. Left side. Brakes. Let go. Turn. Right curbstone tight. Flat out. Left curb. Orange barrier. Brakes. Let go. Right side. Left curb. Gently. Let go. Right curbstone. Oh no. We pushed it too hard. We're overheated. Right side. right curb, outside, right curb, middle of the track, left curb, to the right side, closer to the right, left curb, very good, orange flag, turn in, right curb, keep on it,